join our YouTube channel today.
Hey members, this is your admin Jessica with Saving Our Way in SA, and I almost forgot about this deal, so I made a last minute run for it this evening at Target. When you text Target 827438 and text grill, you get a $5 off when you spend $20 in fresh or frozen meat or seafood as well. So I bought a bag of Market Pantry chicken wings, some chicken breast here, and got me 3 packs of ground meat. And also, everything you see here pretty much had a cartwheel on it. Even, you know, if it was a little 5% cartwheel. These fruit refreshers I did find there. We do have a $1 manufacturer coupon. They were 3 for $6 there, so $3 there. And total out of pocket, which was a great deal because it did involve meat. It was $31 total for everything here. So I'm thinking I might just make another run for it because this does expire tonight. So remember to like and subscribe and share, and happy couponing.